How to cancel FreshBooks subscription. Need to stop your FreshBooks subscription? Here's the quick way to cancel it safely. So first, log in via browser. Log into FreshBooks using a web browser. Cancellation is not available in the mobile app. And then from here, click on your profile icon at the top right, and then under this, click on Billing and Upgrade. And then into the section, go ahead and click Manage Plan, and you'll see options to downgrade or cancel. Select Cancel Account and confirm, and your account stays active until the end of your billing cycle. FreshBooks preserves your data even after cancellation. You can reactivate anytime without losing records. If you subscribe via Apple or Google Play, cancel through these platforms. Payroll add-ons must be canceled separately by contacting support. Canceling FreshBooks is simple and safe. Your subscription stops, but your financial records remain intact for future use. And that is how to cancel FreshBooks subscription.